Hi APK! I have all of your names in our special box. We'll go ahead and give that a shake. Shake, shake, shake. And we'll pick out 7 friends to be our friends of the week. The first one is Chance. You're our friend of the week. The next one is Kamar. You're our friend of the week. And Sophia, you're our friend of the week. Mason, you're our friend of the week. Tyson, you're our friend of the week. Izzy, you're our friend. And the last friend is Elena, you're our friend of the week. Okay, friends, we'll go ahead and get started. This week, our story time is about birds. I have some stories to share with you about birds. Have you been hearing the birds outside? I love to wake up to them. We'll go ahead and get started. You can put your hands up with me. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Fold them in your lap. Now it's time to read. Let's turn our listening ears on. Good job. Our first story is This is the Nest That Robin Built. This is a neat book about a bird making a nest. This is the squirrel who trimmed the twigs not too big that anchor the nest that Robin built. This is the dog who brought the string long and strong that wraps around the twigs not too big that anchor the nest that Robin built. This is the horse who shares his straw rough and tough that covers the string long and strong that wraps around the twigs not too big that anchor the nest that Robin built. This is the pig who mixed the mud soft not soupy that plaster the straws and roughs and that plasters the straw rough and tough that covers the string long and strong that wraps round the twigs not too big that anchor the nest that Robin built. This is the mouse who gathered the weeds dotted with seeds that bind the mud soft not soupy that plasters the straw rough not tough that covers the string long and strong that wraps around the twigs not too big that anchor the nest that Robin built. This is the rabbit who picked the grass fresh and sweet that cushions the weeds dotted with seeds that binds the mud soft not soupy that plasters the straw rough not tough that covers the string long and strong that wraps around the twigs not too big that anchor the nest that Robin built. These are the eggs. Do you see them? What color are the eggs? Blue. How many are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. These are the eggs, brittle and blue, that lay on the grass, fresh and sweet, that cushion the weeds, dotted with seeds, that bind the mud, soft not soupy, that plasters the straw, rough not tough, that covers the string long and strong, that wraps around the twigs, not too big, that anchor the nest that Robin built. Isn't that neat, friends? All those friends contributed to the nest that Robin built. These are the nestlings, tuft and pink, that cracked the eggs, brittle and blue, that lay on the grass, fresh and sweet, that cushions the weeds, dotted with seeds, that binds the mud, soft not soupy, that plasters the straw, rough and tough, that covers the string, long and strong, that wraps around the twigs, not too big, that anchor the nest that Robin built. And this is the robin who built the nest. Do you see the robin putting the nest together with all of the things the friends gave her? all for her nest and her little birds. Now, young feedlings, rumpled and ruffled and ready to fly. A lot goes into making those bird nests. All right, friends, we are going to sing Shoo Fly. Are you ready to do it with me? There we go. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. For I belong to somebody. I feel like jumping like a frog. Are you jumping like a frog? I feel like jumping like a frog. And shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. For I belong to somebody. I feel like flying like a bird. Can you fly like a bird? I feel like flying like a bird. Oh, shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. For I belong to somebody. I feel. What's next? I feel like slithering like a snake. I feel like slithering like a snake. Oh, shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. For I belong to somebody. I feel like crawling like a bug. Can you crawl like a bug? I feel like crawling like a bug. And shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. For I belong to somebody. Nice job, friends. All right, next we are going to read another book about different kinds of birds. It's by Kevin Hankus. It's called Birds. I like his books. In the morning, I hear birds singing through the open window. Birds can be yellow or blue or brown or red or green. Sometimes they are black, so black that you can't see their eyes or their feathers, just their shape. Birds can be big or any size in between. See the small one? Once I saw 7 birds sitting on a telephone wire. They didn't move and they didn't move. I looked away for just a second and they were gone. If bird made marks with their feathers, think what the sky would look like. If clouds were birds, the clouds would look like this or this. Sometimes in winter, a bird in a tree looks like one red leaf left over. If there are lots of birds in one tree and they all fly away at the same time, it looks like the tree yelled, "Surprise!" If I were a bird, I'd ask where all the other birds go when it's stormy and they can't get home to their nests. I like to pretend I'm a bird. I can't really fly, but I can do this. I can sing. I like that one. All right, friends, we're ready for another song. We are going to do Two Little Blackbirds now. So can you get your blackbirds ready? 1, 2.
Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill.
Nice job. We're going to do it again, okay? First, there's a little intro. Are you dancing? You twirl around? All right, you ready? A little longer. Are you dancing around? I think we're ready now.
Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill.
Nice job, friends. All right, our next one is a silly one. It is about a pigeon. Don't let the pigeon drive the bus. Hi, I'm the bus driver. Listen, I've got to leave for a little while. So can you watch things for me until I get back? Thanks. Oh, and remember, don't let the pigeon drive the bus. This is a Mo Willems book. I thought he'd never leave, said the pigeon. Hey, can I drive the bus? Please. I'll be careful. I tell you what, I'll just steer. My cousin Herb drives a bus almost every day. True story. Vroom, 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 vroom. Pigeon at the wheel. No, I never can do anything. Hey, I've got an idea. Let's play Drive the Bus. I'll go first. Come on, just once around the block. I'll be your best friend. How about I give you $5? No fair. I bet your mom would let me. What's the big deal? It's just a bus. I have dreams too, you know. Fine. Let me drive the bus. I'm back. Hey, you didn't let the pigeon drive the bus, did you? Great. Thanks a lot. Bye. Hey. He's thinking. He's thinking about driving a semi now, isn't he? That silly pigeon. All right, I have one quick story to share with you before we do our goodbye song. This one's about Duck and Goose. Are you feeling okay? Whoops, we missed one. Hopeful. Selfish. See, he has all the flowers and his friends want one. Proud. Frustrated. Scared. Patient. Sad. Happy. Angry. Loving. All kinds of different ways to feel, isn't there, friends? All right, well, I'm feeling happy that I got to spend some time with you today. We're going to finish up with our goodbye song, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to listen and watch for the birds.
See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Bye-bye, butterfly. See you again next time. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Bye-bye, butterfly. See you again next time. See you again next time.
Bye, friends. I'll see you next time.